Bloxflip promo codes, top 3 discounts. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on Bloxflip promo code. To start with, the first website for Bloxflip promo code is DealSpotter. So go ahead and open dealspotter.com in your browser and tap on the search bar you see there and further search for Bloxflip. You will then see a bunch of options available for promo codes. Go ahead and tap on any of the options here that is best suitable for you, and in the pop-up that appears, you will see the promo code. Simply tap on the promo code to copy the code and now paste it further in Bloxflip. Next website for promo code is shipthedeal.com. Once you have opened Ship the Deal, go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for Bloxflip. You will be shown with various options. Tap on any of the best suited option for you and further copy the code and paste it in Bloxflip to use the code. The third website for Bloxflip is wethrift.com. Open WeThrift and you will see a search bar there. Tap on that and search for Bloxflip. You will be shown with various options. Tap on the best suited option for you and further copy the code and paste it in Bloxflip to use the code. So these are the 3 Bloxflip promo codes. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.